Hey guys, it's your boy No Chill Chad checking in. I'm going to do a brief review of my indoor black satin car cover from carcovers.com. So guys, this is my indoor cover from carcovers.com. It's an indoor cover. It's black satin. Check it out. Check out the fitment. So when you come up to the car, you definitely can see that it fits the vehicle very nicely. The material is very heavy. It's a very heavy material, but it's super soft. When I tell you, it's softer than your favorite t-shirt. Bedroom soft. This material right here probably takes me 30 seconds to mount this thing onto my car, if that. Easy to install. It tells you right here, front, for easy application. After I wash my car, that's when I'm able to put it on inside of my garage. They give you this little grommet so that you can put a hole in it, and it'll set your antenna inside. If you do have an antenna that's exposed, some people don't, some people do. This car does. I don't have a power antenna, but this has this little slot where you can actually just put a hole in it, and it's a grommet that comes with it where you can slide it on top so that any moisture or anything is not just going inside of your car. As soon as I wash my car, it goes in my garage. I'm putting the satin cover on my car, and then when it's time for me to roll, I literally just peel this thing off, and I'm literally ready to go. Car show ready. The car is shined up and ready to go. Typically in my garage, without it, I do have a duster that I may use so that I can just dust the car before I'm ready to go. But after I wash and wax it, all I got to do is just peel this cover off, and it's good to go. I don't have to worry about anything. So as soon as I'm done washing the car, I put this cover on, and it can sit as long as it wants, and I know when I'm ready to pull this thing out, it's ready to go. Super easy to install. Scrunchy, heavy, soft material. All you do is grab it. You're just gonna put it around the corners. I'm not even scared to stretch it. Super stretchy material. So if you have any kind of aerodynamics or anything on the vehicle, any kind of aero kit, body kit, it literally would just tuck around it with no problem. Thank you, carcovers.com. I love this thing. Make sure you guys check them out, carcovers.com.